So, Jessica, are you ready to meet your new team?
Absolutely! I'm so excited about that.
Great, let's go then. Good morning, guys. Let me introduce you someone. It's Jessica, your new teammate. Hello, everybody. I am pleased to meet you.
Hi Jessica, I'm Steve. Welcome.
Morning, Jessica. My name is Anna. One more girl in a team. It's great.
Hello, I'm Mr. Clinch, sales manager. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm so happy to meet you all. Would you like me to show you your office? Yes, please. I look forward to start working.
Easy girl, it's your first day here. Believe me, we don't get bored here. I like her. At least one serious person in the company.
Come with me. I'll show you your office. I love it. It's so light. Shall we work together? Yes, Jessica, we'll share this office. Here's your desk and computer. Perfect. Thank you. So, what's the task for today? Wow, I see you're really motivated. Great. Now you have some free time to look around, and at 11 a.m. we have a meeting. Perfect. Do you need to go? Yes, I have some things to finish until the meeting. See you later, and once again, welcome. Phrases to remember. Let me introduce you someone. I am pleased to meet you. Would you like me to show you your office? We don't get bored here. We will share the office. To look around.